Hello, fourth graders. I hope everybody had a great Easter and got to enjoy a bunch of candy. So, we are going to be getting a book called The Chocolate Touch. Perfect timing, right? From Easter, we're all super full of chocolate and candy, and it's so delicious. So, I am very excited to talk to you guys about this book. Um, what we are going to learn how to do is we're going to learn how to determine key important ideas in text and learn how to summarize that into a short version of a book. So when somebody asks you, uh, oh, that was a good book, what is Diary of a Wimpy Kid about? How you summarize is instead of having that person read the whole entire book, what you're going to do is you're going to find key elements of that book and you're going to explain it to them in order so that they know what the book is about. And that's exactly what we're going to learn how to do in paper form. So we're going to read this book called The Chocolate Touch. It's an awesome book. It's a lot of fun. And we're going to learn how to find those key different ideas and important details from the text and figure out how we can summarize it. So real quick, looks like I have a little bit of a glare, but what summarizing is giving a short statement of the important points of a book. And the key word there is short. So we're not going to talk a super long time about super detailed description of what happened. We're just going to do it real quick and short. So that's what summarizing means in a book, is you're summarizing the whole entire book in just a short amount of detail. And you're only giving the reader key points about the book. So, also, why is summarizing important? So, summarizing is important because it allows you to restate key important information in a way that is short and in order. So, we're not going to skip around all over the place. That'll just confuse the person. So, what we're going to do is we're going to keep it in order and we're going to point out key details. And how we do that is we're going to use our 5-finger method. And it's a little funky hand, huh? I'm not very good at drawing hands. But what each one of those little words says is who, what, where, why, when, and how. So we're going to use those 5 key words to determine what's important. So what I want you to do is throughout this lesson, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you log on to your Google Classrooms, go into your Google Docs, and you're going to see the Chocolate Touch Google Doc. And what that's going to do is you're going to have each day is going to have the questions, and watch out for the questions because those might provide you with key details to write your little summary. So what I'm going to do is have you answer a couple little quick questions about the chapter, and you're going to read 1 chapter a day. You're going to answer the questions, and then you're going to write a short summary in like 3 to 4 sentences with 2 key details from each chapter. So you're going to answer the questions in the chapter, write a real quick summary of what you think is important from that chapter, and then you'll submit it and we'll take a look at it and go from there. And each day you're going to do each chapter. So I hope you guys really enjoy the book. I think it's going to be really cool. I mean, who doesn't love talking about chocolate? I mean, come on. So that's a real quick summary on what we're going to do. So we're going to learn, our objective is we're going to learn how to summarize, and we're going to learn how to find key details in text and information. So I hope you guys had a great Easter. I miss you guys a lot. I wish we could be doing this in person, but I hope this works and we have a lot of fun reading this book. Thanks guys. See ya, fourth graders. See ya.